What's up, guys? Ninja here. Hey, I've never done a vlog style, so bear with me. But my buddy's got a 500 horsepower Honda Civic Si, so he's gonna rip the motor out. So I figured I'd give him a hand. He's taking it out to rebuild it, so we're just gonna take that out. But first, it's coffee time. All right, coffee acquired. You better like these things. They're freaking $5. Let's get a move on.
Fucking. Hello. Fucking. Fucking ass.
You're gonna need this too. Oh, you got shit all over your hands.
Put it in my mouth.
Not the creepiest thing I've ever done. Now that you're half a coffee deep, I want to tell the people of YouTube what you got into this beast.
This is an engine I got off my buddy about 9 years ago. It's a fully built GSR block, 83mm sleeves, Golden Eagle rods, Aries pistons, Omni flat valves, Edelbrock valve springs, and 1000cc injectors.
How much horsepower is it making again?
500 on pump gas.
Ooh. Since it's all tore to pieces already before I even got here.
Yeah, Precision 62 turbo.
Tile wastegate. So what do we got left to do?
Shift linkage, motor mounts, and a couple things off the harness to disconnect, and that's ready to come out.
Cool. Not that you guys would know this or anything, but this is where the 240 sits. He was gracious enough to lend me a spot. If you didn't watch the first video or the first drive, make sure you go and check that out, because it's pretty much the only time I got to drive it before the PA lovely weather turned to real shitty real quick. It's just a stock block, pretty much stock everything. KA24DE, Garrett 60-1 turbo, and a CX Racing turbo kit. I'm just waiting for it to blow up, so I gotta get the timing right, and I gotta get a new Nismo Tronic ECU that I'm probably gonna get instead of I have the stock ECU tuned by RS Enthalpy, but I changed a couple things. So that's pretty much screwed me up. But the first time I tried to drive it, the timing was so off that the header and stuff was glowing and pretty much everything about caught on fire. So we're going to get to work on this, so I guess cue the time lapse. Alright, so everything's all unhooked, wiring harness disconnected, all the fluids are out of it. All we gotta do now is what?
Pull it.
pull this bitch. So we're gonna get a drink, take a minute to get warm, then we'll be back for that. Alright, so mission success. The engine is out. I mean, we had a little bit of a hiccup, right?
Just a small one.
Stupid shit, but what's the plan from here?
Plan is tear down the engine, take it to the machine shop, get it bored from 83 to 84, and start a full rebuild.
What are we shooting for next time?
I'd like to get it at least between 6 and 7, somewhere around there.
No, you said you were thinking about the all-wheel drive swap. Are you gonna do that?
That was if it was
No?
K-Series. Too much work.
It is too
I
much
do
work.
not know. I'm not that knowledgeable.
Alright.
But yeah.
So at least we had a mission success, even though it's cold. My nose is running. Sound like shit. We did good.
We did good.
We did good. But alright guys, you know the deal. Make sure you like and subscribe if we did alright. Tell us how bad we did. That's alright too. So, we'll catch you in the next one.